Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you a little tour of Washington DC's Chinatown. So here is a Chinese restaurant kind of on the edge of what's considered Chinatown here. We've got two right next to each other. And I'm going to turn the corner here to the left. And this is really the main section of it. Now you just saw 3 hockey jerseys, 2 Washington Capitals and 1 Florida Panthers. The arena is right around the block. The NHL Washington Capitals hockey arena is right around the corner. There's a game going on starting in about an hour. This looks kind of like a ginseng shop over here. So you've got all the fans showing up wearing their gear, mostly in red, like these 2 coming up, Washington Capitals, but there are a few around wearing the Florida Panthers jersey. And the Panthers won the Stanley Cup last year, and the Capitals have the best record in hockey this year, so it's quite a matchup. But anyway, this video is about Chinatown. And back in the day, there was a large Chinese population in this area. There's really not anymore, but it is a big district for Asian restaurants, especially Chinese restaurants, but really all kinds of Asian food. So here we have a revolving sushi bar, clearly Japanese. And that's a pretty cool looking building across the street, Tony Chang's. I have eaten in there. We used to take groups in there, but we don't anymore for my job. And there's a nice wall mural over there. We are Chinatown. And here is this, which is kind of cool. But at least there is a Chinatown. Not every city has one. So at least it's here. And there is the iconic archway. It's called the Friendship Archway. I think every Chinatown has one. We'll be coming up closer and getting a better look. Yeah, not too shabby. Not too shabby, is it? It's pretty good. So all these police vehicles are here because of the hockey game. That's a pretty normal thing. And this is a metro station. This is how you came to Chinatown by subway like I did. This is where you get out. And I'm walking over here because I just want to show you this mural of a dragon, Chinese dragon. Looks pretty cool. Some good colors there in the background. And it continues both to the left and to the right. There in the back, you can kind of see the sign for the Capital One Arena. Yeah, we'll just walk up this way and cross over and come back, I think. See cherry blossoms back there. Right now it's cherry blossom season in DC. It's a really big deal in the spring. Spring just started. Left plenty of other videos about cherry blossom stuff. That's kind of cool. Let's see if we can get over there. Just wait a second here. Little gallery. Yeah. There you go, not bad. Dragons, very Chinese. It's at the Smithsonian American Art Museum in the background. It's also the Portrait Gallery, which is right across the street from the Capital One Arena, which, as I mentioned before, is where the hockey team plays. Also, the basketball team plays there, Washington Wizards. So you see all the Capitals fans just hanging out, waiting to get in. They're online. And the Capital One Arena sign is in Chinese also, because hey, we're in Chinatown. Why wouldn't you? And here's the Caps Army. Caps Army marching off to the game.
$10 cap, guys. $10 cap. $10 cap.
Caps Army. Chick-fil-A, both in English and Chinese. It's a good view of the whole arena from across the street. Get it all in one frame.
I can show you where it is. He started dancing like.
Every single shop here, every restaurant, doesn't matter what it is, Chipotle, it's got it in Chinese also. Everything is both English and Chinese. Rocket bar. Big bus that you see in every big city, big double-decker tourist bus passing through. And here's the sunny side of the Friendship Archway. Yeah, it's definitely looking pretty good from this angle, except for this car. There we go, 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 go. There we go, much better, much better. Get it as we cross the street.
Yeah, but that was just.
He asked for the difference one. I said they
And I think we're pretty much coming to the end of it over here.
Yeah, that's what I do about it. When they file bankruptcy, you just basically.
I think we'll just kind of walk up to the end here. Taco Bell. Alright, so there's a little tour of Chinatown. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll catch you in the next one.